Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're job hunting on LinkedIn, you know how easy it is to apply to dozens of positions, but then forget which ones you actually submitted. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to view the jobs you've applied for on LinkedIn in 2025. This feature is a game changer for tracking your applications and following up effectively. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your LinkedIn account on either the desktop site or the mobile app. Once you're in, head over to the top navigation bar and click on the Jobs tab. It's usually represented by a briefcase icon, so it should be straightforward to find. Now, in the Jobs section, look for a subsection called Your Applications, or Jobs You've Applied For. On the desktop version, this might appear on the left-hand sidebar under Job Seeking Options. If you're on mobile, tap the menu icon, scroll down to Jobs, and select Applied Jobs. LinkedIn has made this super user-friendly in 2025, with a dedicated page that lists all your applications in one place. Once you're there, you'll see a list of jobs you've applied to, complete with the job title, company name, date applied, and even the status if available, like Under Review or Application Viewed. You can click on any job to see more details, such as your cover letter or the original job posting. Pro tip: use the filters at the top to sort by date, location, or status to keep things organized. If you run into any issues, like not seeing your applications, double-check that your account settings allow LinkedIn to show this information. Sometimes, privacy settings can hide it, so go to your profile settings and ensure Job Application History is enabled. And there you have it. That's how you easily view your applied jobs on LinkedIn in 2025. This simple step can save you so much time and stress during your job search. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more career tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.